Out here in Cookeville, Tennessee, Putnam County, looking at this roof. They had some leaks, recent hail damage as well. One of the things you see back here, someone did some custom repair, threw some extra shingles in here, try and stop the leak. Ultimately, this should have had a flat application roofing system in there. So when we redo it, that's what we would put in there. Get up here, got the steep area. You start seeing the shininess on the edge of the shingles. That's telling you the roof's getting in that 10 to 15 year range. It's getting closer to the end of its life. And we go back up around here. It's turbine attic vents. There's a chimney. If we zoom in on that chimney, you can see that they didn't put any counter flashings embedded into the brick. And they also roofed that little cricket behind it poorly. So that's a real leak risk. That as well should have some sort of flat application in there as a backup. And they did the same thing on the brick over here. They just ran the step flashings up the side with well, actually here they didn't even put step flashings. Just ran the shingles up straight up to the brick with no step flashings, and they did not embed the counter flashing into the brick like they should have. There's also no kick out flashing at the bottom there where it meets the gutter to direct water away from the wall. This person already had insurance come out, and they actually are paying for a new roof due to hail damage on this face. You can kind of see some of the impacts as we walk through here. Pretty nice adjuster. The homeowner's a veteran. He's helping him out. I could definitely see some adjusters deny this claim. So it was nice that we didn't have a huge fight. But he is ready for a new roof. Got inadequate step flashings along these dormers as well. Same kind of issue. They just didn't really do a great job on it. And the transition here to this low slope, should have had ice and water shield in there just to help protect the roof. Overall, pretty big roof. It's about 60 squares. You can see more of the hail damage over there. So if you have issues with your roof, need repairs, replacement, you need some help working with your insurance, try and get your roof covered in InsuranceClaim. RoofMD is the company for you. We will work with you, and we'll work with the insurance every step of the way to give you the best possible roof we can get for you. High quality work, great customer service. We like to work with homeowners and really help them out. We're a local roofing company, and we're here to help you with all your roofing needs.